This time on Our Chateau Life,
Reporting live from our bidet.
I imagine Claire in the bath,
Okay, I'm imagining.
and we imagine
That's
sitting
nice.
on the
Peace
loo.
and skies.
Right then, darling, what are we doing?
So this is the ensuite update.
Ensuite update,
News.
Live from the ensuite.
Newsflash. Newsflash is we haven't actually done anything since last time.
We've done a lot of thinking, though.
Lots of things. Yeah, I can see like brain melting. So much thinking. Sorry, Danny. But lots of planning. Lots and lots of planning, which is sensible. Because we have to be sensible.
We do, and we've had lots and lots and lots of comments from our wonderful viewers, haven't we? Yes.
You're not too happy.
And all of which, in fact, most of which, I'm going to completely ignore. And there are some of you out there who are intent on me not having my tower power shower. And all I can say to you is, in the nicest possible way, of course. Was that a bit rude?
That was a bit rude.
Well, it's meant in a friendly, rude way.
You might have to take it back if we never do the power tower shower. No.
No, listen, as I told one of the commenters, if I don't get my tower power shower, I'm leaving.
Okay. Oh God. Okay. Right. Tower power shower it is then.
Well, it's either that or you don't get your sewing room, love. Right, come on, carry on. Got stuff to do.
So, in order to have the tower power shower, we need to get through the really thick 60 centimetre wall, and our measuring skills were not quite up to task last week. So the plan is we've got an architect who's going to come and see us in a few weeks' time. So hopefully his brain will understand this better than our brains will understand this.
Yeah.
And he's going to do lots of plans. He's going to plan out the whole place actually, which will be brilliant.
Yeah.
Brilliant. I don't know why this has taken me 3.5 years to notice, but there's something missing in here.
What, in the bathroom?
In the bathroom.
What's that then, darling?
There is not a toilet.
Oh, no!
And there is not plumbing for a toilet. There was a bath, but the bath is gone.
And there's a bidet.
And there's a bidet and there's a sink. But there is no toilet.
Oh. Okay, I'm going to go and look this up because I find this quite interesting. Right.
Do you have the answer?
I have the answer.
Yeah.
Yes, I do. So the answer, I've ChatGPT'd and I've Googled.
Yeah.
And the answer is as follows. The reason that there is no loo in the bathroom in France because it dates back to the belief that having a toilet in an area where you would be cleaning yourself is unsanitary. And also the other thing we noticed was that in rooms devoted to toilets in France, they wouldn't have a basin to wash your hands.
That is very odd. I find that very strange that you can't just rinse your hands.
And according to my in-depth research, you're expected to do your business and then open the door, not having washed your hands, go next door to the place where there's a basin, open the door, close the door, wash your hands, open the door, oh, get your hands dirty again, oh, no, close the door, get your hands dirty. Oh, no, it doesn't make sense at all. Or maybe there was another door that you would use. You'd have like the dirty door and the clean door.
I don't think they were thinking that far ahead, actually.
Reporting live from our bidet, we are going to give it a go.
What's that? This is a horrible thing that we're doing.
That's an electrical cable.
No, I mean generally just, inspecting.
Well, here we are. Here we are at the Laverne.
Do we have a plan here? What if we turn this on and...
And it all goes wrong. Oh, there was a noise then.
No, that's my phone ringing.
Oh, I see. Okay.
No. No. Nothing. It's dead.
Well, so much for the grand reveal. Sorry about that, folks, but hey ho.
But we can keep it if you want a bidet. We can clean it up, reuse it.
No, well, it's not a very pretty bidet.
No.
And
you want that robotic toilet.
I never heard it called a robotic toilet. I don't want a robot. No, I just want one of the ones that, that
Does everything.
You started this. Darling. You started this. Okay, what does it do, darling?
I don't want to know. I'm scared of it. I don't want a robotic toilet. It terrifies me.
There'll be a link below.
We can't even get biscuits. We're not getting a robotic toilet for free.
I wouldn't be so sure enough,
Right, come on.
Okay, can't get up, darling.
Oh, my knees.
No, I actually can't get up.
So I've been thinking about the toilet. No, I've been thinking about the layout because I was thinking the bath there and the loo here.
Yeah.
But if we have the door there, that means that like from the bed, if the door was open, you would be able to see the toilet.
It wouldn't be open though, would it? Anyway, go on. Yeah. So if it was open.
Yeah. You would see the loo, and I don't like that. Doesn't feel very sort of like feng shui.
No, it's definitely not feng shui. No, especially if it's robotic. You will go to the toilet, exterminate. Sorry.
So, I was thinking.
I don't know. I didn't know I'd be able to get Doctor Who and the Daleks into this, but I've managed it anyway.
Well, how else could we lay it out, or can we hide the toilet?
In my past life, previous life.
What, when you were Henry VIII or something?
When I was Henry VIII, don't encourage me. This is a mistake.
Sorry, carry on. Toilets.
So in a previous life, I had quite a large bathroom. It was actually bigger than this. No, showing off.
But then I don't want to see it from the bedroom, but I also don't want to see it from the bath. Is that weird?
Do you know, I've got a good idea. Let's put it in another room, shall we? Why have you suddenly got this incredible dislike of loos?
No, I've just always had it, but I haven't had the opportunity
to talk about it.
Plan the perfect bathroom from scratch.
Oh, I see.
So what am I more worried about? Am I more worried about seeing it from the bath or from the bedroom? No, because I guess if you come in, hopefully you're going to shut the door, so then I don't have to see it. So we could have the wall there, so that I can't see it from the bath. Am I overthinking?
I think you're mad.
Can I put the loo in the towel?
Just try. So we've always sort of like naturally put the loo here. So your idea, which I think is excellent, is to put the bath here.
Yes.
So the idea was originally that it was a square wood Japanese bath.
Yeah, so here.
But that's gone out the window because they're just crazy money.
Yeah, but we might be able to get same size but not wood.
Yes, a square thing made out of
one of those high tubs.
You get a blow up one.
A paddling pool.
Yeah. So it has to go here.
It has to go here, but part of the reason for that is because of this cupboard.
Ah, yes,
So this cupboard has got a pulley thing in it, to which we assume goes out to the bell, which is just out there. So I could imagine I'm in the bath.
Okay, I'm imagining.
Careful. And then I ring the bell.
Ring the bell and nothing happens.
And somebody appears with a caramel tea for me.
Who would that be? God, blimey.
So the bath has to go here.
Okay, so imagine it. It's there. So this is the only place in the whole of this big wide room that we can put the loo.
And actually, if you go there, you can look straight out the window. If I don't put a wall there, which is nice.
I don't know about you, but when I'm on the loo, I'm not that high. So go down.
Yeah, well, I can see.
No, you're further down there.
Okay, I'm gonna fall. That's a limit. Okay. No. No, I can see trees. That's nice. Trees and sky and stuff. It's nice. I like this one. Doesn't work. No, it doesn't work.
No, I like that one
I like
as
that
well a lot, but I don't really want it in here.
No, well, it can go somewhere else. Go somewhere else, but I do like it. But I do think we should just have one basin, not two basins.
What, like no his and hers toilet and no his and hers
Well, it's just extra cleaning.
basin? Oh my god, can you imagine if we had two toilets in here? Oh my god.
But two basins.
How would you hide them? Sorry, shut up.
Tap power shower.
Tap power shower. Not a word.
Now,
Actually, no, I should have done that as a sort of like London gangster. Not a word.
you're so scary. Steam room?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why not? In for a penny, in for a pound, in for lots of euros.
Well, yeah. Oh.
I think steam rooms, are they that complicated?
No, it's just like you have, in essence, you have a very large kettle. Lower the ceiling, create a false ceiling.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't get it that low because of the window. You can embed it in the ceiling.
Okay.
So you have like the waterfall type effect.
Yes, please.
Or
Every time I come in here, I'm going to end up washing my hair, and I don't want to wash my hair, and I don't every day, and I don't want to sort of like shower like that.
no, but I don't think you will because you've got so much space. So like the shower head.
Stand out of it.
I mean, like the biggest shower head you could get right would be, like that square.
Yeah.
So, you're not, you're going to be able to,
Like not.
like the fall of the water at most is going to be like that, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you're going to be able to go. When you make these films, right, it's really weird, but you find out a lot of stuff about your wife that you never knew.
Again, when have we had the opportunity to do such an amazing shower?
Never. Yeah.
So
exactly.
it's got to be
Yeah.
super duper amazing because I'm not doing it again. I'm not moving. I'm not doing another one. This is the last one.
Oh, really? Okay. Oh, I don't know. I'm happy to do another one, but. There's another very serious aspect to this for me is I cannot stand like dribbly showers. That's why it's called a power shower. I want
It's got to pummel you.
Yeah, I mean like it pummels you.
Yeah. It's going to be very nice though because you can have a shower here and look out the window.
Oh, it'd be lovely.
It'd be lovely. Wave at people as they walk past.
Can't wait. Looking forward to seeing you all. So we shower probably about 7:30 in the morning, just in case you want to put a note in your diary. That's the Tower Power Shower.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Which will happen.
It will happen.
Yeah, none of that, thanks. I've got my eye on you. So, darling, tell me, what have we decided about?
Well, we have decided. So I really wanted underfloor heating in here, but this floor is too nice. So we're going to keep the wood floor. You found some Osmo stuff that we can treat it with, didn't you? So it'd be all safe. So it should be fine.
Yeah, it's not polyurethane, I'd hasten to add.
To your rant about floor.
My rant about flooring. Leave me alone!
But this floor is just so beautiful that it's going to be the main feature, really, isn't it, in the end? So
yeah, it is actually gorgeous, isn't it?
It's in really good nick. So I am happy to surrender my underfloor heating because this will be fine on your feet. This won't be so cold.
Yeah.
And so we just need to sort out what heating we are going to have in here.
How do you want to feel in here? What kind of colours, what kind of place have you been to that you want to recreate in here?
There was that beautiful place we stayed in Portugal that had the sort of like local marble baths and stuff like that. And that was all just very calm, very neutral. That was really nice. Too trendy. It's that idea that if it's too highly stylized, it will go out of fashion very quickly. But if it's not very highly stylized, understated to a degree, and classical, but classical not in the sense of like being 19th century. Yeah, not like a Victorian bath or anything like that.
But classical in the sense of like modern lines, but not overstated.
Marble and stuff like that. Finally having the chance to do this, and having looked at so many different ideas over the years, now that I actually have to start making decisions, I'm sort of like paralysed by having so much choice, by too much choice. I think we need to find one or two things that we really like. So we've got one definite, which is the floor. So we've got dark wood floor. That's a definite. Then we need to find the bath, and then I think we can build from that.
My snail door entrance here.
Yeah.
So if I can't do that, which, happy to say goodbye to that, but I have found a door.
It's beautiful, sort of like glass.
Beautiful, like brass door with glass.
Okay, so maybe brass is the starting point.
Oh yeah, brass.
Because like brass and dark wood floor looks really nice.
Beautiful,
and glass.
Yeah,
so
I agree.
That's a
I agree.
Okay.
You didn't realise we're going to draw up a contract after this, did you?
Yeah, come back in 6 months' time with this stuff. Bright pink and green. Darling, you agreed to this.
Where is Lionel? We can always just kind of see the dust. I had an idea, right? So this is going to be the door, and we both love the idea of a secret door.
That's the one thing this place is missing. There's no secret
Yeah,
doors.
it is, isn't it? But there's this much depth, and so yeah, I'm sure you can tell. I'm sure you can guess already what we do. Is to turn the door into a bookshelf, secret bookshelf, and then and then you go up to the bookshelf and you just go like that. You go like that, and it goes, and then you just pull it open with a little sort of like hidden brass handle here.
Yeah.
And then you go, and it goes whoosh, and then with the skirting as well, whoosh, like that. And to close it, you just go, you just go like that, and it just locks into place.
I'm so excited about this. It's ridiculous how excited I am about this.
Be great, wouldn't it? And then I guess you could choose very relevant books.
Yes.
Could you? Sort of like just bathroom-based books.
I think that'd be.
Agatha Christie, Death in a Bathroom.
I think that'd be absolutely brilliant. I love that idea.